Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be by Royal Me, and so they sent me over a 14-inch colored wig, and this is going to be a little bit different. This wig has the pre-made scalp. I know you've all seen it. I've done a review before for hair VV, and then also this comes with the adjustable straps, and then the second straps they put in, they're sort of like bra straps. And so I do like this color. This color is, there goes my bald head itself. So I like this color. I wanted to try this color out because of the brown roots and then the blonde tips. And so this is looking kind of crazy. This is definitely going to be one of my straight out of the box videos because I feel as though is that a lot of you all do not like glue, and I know you all love these series. So we are going to do this straight out the box. Now, the only complaint I have about this wig is the hairline. Okay, so this is supposed to be pre-plucked, and I feel it is pre-plucked, don't get me wrong, but y'all know how I do. Y'all know I will pluck the hell out of a wig. And this right here, I was just like, ugh, if I would have plucked this wig would have been bomb. But you know what? We still gonna slay it. And so after you cut the lacy, yeah, I'm just like, oh my gosh, look at this. That hairline thick. I think if they go in and they pluck a little bit more, this wig will definitely be like a #1. And so as you can tell on the pre-made scalp I'm showing you all, this does go about 5 inches across, so you'll be able to go 6 inches, about 5 inches across. Everything else turns into 2 inches. And so you would definitely have to curve. I'm guessing like you'll have to curve your part if you're like parting on the side, which I'm going to be showing you all. Ooh, child, excuse me. I think it was a dust bunny. And so here I'm just using my KeraCare Waxstick from Amazon, and then my faithful, hot comb. I love this thing so much. And so I'm using my I do not know, I think it's like 1 1/4. I got this from Walmart like 5 years ago, and baby girl, it is still cooking. I literally just did the if you knew, Sally's did like a sale this past weekend. I literally just bought me a new one, and I was like, I'm still grabbing for this old one. And so here I had showed you all what it would kind of look like, you know, just with it being in the middle. I did not like it. So yes, we are definitely parting it to the side, and then I'm just going to be doing like a little swoop, and then that's about it. And so here I'm just using my KeraCare Waxstick. This is like the key to melting. If you, even though these things are like hella expensive, I do recommend for you to get them from Amazon. I think they're like $13 on Amazon. VS is like, my beauty supply store was trying to charge me literally almost $20 for one, and I was like, oh hell no. So the deets on this wig, I give it about a 9 out of 10. This wig definitely does shed, but which is normal for 613 hair or hair that has been lifted to this color. And other than that, I did not get no tangling. I did not get any smell. The pre-made scalp is definitely a good technique. I like how they have it sewed down on the hairline so it doesn't lift or doesn't curl back once it's washed. And that's about it. Other than the shedding in their hairline, like, it's honestly just really a thumbs up wig for it just to be coming out of the box. And so let me know how you all feel about this color. Do you think it's pretty? Do you think it's like a pretty summer color? So definitely leave any comments down below. Make sure you watch the end so you're going to see the end results on this beautiful wig, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.